75 Rubber one-member limited liability company was established in 1968 as a defense and security enterprise directly under the General Department of Defense Industry. The company has the following functions and tasks: research, design, manufacture, fabricate high-tech rubber products for defense and security activities and products for economic and export purposes, etc. With the vision of becoming a leading unit in the field of manufacturing high-tech rubber products in Vietnam, 75 Rubber Company has invested in the most modern technology lines, machines and equipments. Currently, the company has 5 production workshops, creating a technology flow throughout in a closed cycle. With a tradition of 55 years construction and development, the products of 75 Rubber Company have affirmed the quality when supplying for the Army forces and units for many years. Among the typical products are PD-1, PD-2 chemical suits, metal ammo cartridges boxes, aircraft soft fuel tanks, artillery tires, military vehicle tires, tank wheels and technical rubber parts for missiles, aircraft, submarines, armored tanks, military vehicles and equipments. Following the tradition, in the current stage, 75 Rubber Company is developing new products, expanding the domestic and export markets. The company has supplied to most of the key economic sectors, including rubber conveyor belts, rubber sheets to cover oil spill of all kinds, rubber-coated and ceramic-coated rollers, rubber hose, rubber marine fenders for ships, all kinds of technical rubber spare. Rubber mixing line. The heart of the factory is the place to process and manufacture semi-finished rubber products, supplying the entire production lines of the company. The equipment system includes automatic closed mixing line and mixing open equipments, with a total capacity of 30 tons per day. The high-tech production line of thin rubber-coated fabric products, which is technology transferred from the Russian Federation, can produce 0.1 mm thickness products. The line is used to produce special suits and suits PD-1, PD-2. The brand, Rubber 75, is famous for the product, rubber conveyor belt, with the most modern conveyor belt production line system today. With the products like, sheet extruder, conveyor belt vulcanizing equipment system, rotocure vulcanizing machine system, with diverse properties such as resistance to abrasion, fire, heat, oil and chemical, including all types of conveyor belt products, from fabric-reinforced conveyor belts to steel cord-reinforced conveyor belts. 2 special structural conveyors belts such as conveyor belts for the production of insulated corrugated iron, wave shape, etc. Conveyor product quality is assessed in accordance with international standards. Technical rubber product production line specializes in the production of spare parts for automotive, motorcycle, electrical, electronic, chemical industries, industrial and residential equipment and machines. The diversified automatic equipment range from 150 tons to 300 tons helps to meet the capacity of 10 million products per month. Rubber hose is one of the main products of 75 Rubber Company, with the maximum diameter up to 2,000 mm, including high-pressure rubber hose, suction and discharge rubber hose, thermal insulation coating oil pipelines for undersea. The company's rubber fender water-air products have been installed at the Vietnam Oil and Gas Group and the Cam Ranh military port. Other types of anti-collision marine fenders are also widely installed on ports and ships. The production line system of metal ammo cartridges boxes is the highlight of the company in implementing the product diversification policy used in the whole Army and has received high appreciation for quality and design. Research and development of new products is identified as the driving force for development, so 75 Rubber Company gathers a team of staff, engineers trained in the country and abroad. The company's quality management system meets international standards such as ISO, IATF. The company's laboratory is invested with advanced and modern measuring and testing equipment, capable of analyzing and evaluating mechanical, physical, chemical indicators of rubber, polymer composite materials, and achieving ISO, IEC 17025 certificate. during more than 55 years of construction and development, the company's products always meet requirements for quality, cost, delivery schedule and after-sales services. The traditional well-known partners of 75 Rubber Company are typical in cement production, coal mining, mineral exploitation, thermal power, etc. The company's products have been exported to many foreign markets and are gradually rising to become a link in the global supply chain. With profound experience and advanced technology, 75 Rubber Company is committed to meeting all requirements and product technical specifications according to the desired orders of domestic and foreign customers. Also a company, develop, integrate deeply, reach out to the region and the world. 75 Rubber, give full faith.